Wrestling with a cluttered kitchen counterstacked with a weak blender that leaves chunks of ice in your smoothies, a separate food processor that struggles to chop vegetables evenly, and a mountain of dirty dishes just to make a quick breakfast or dinner prep is an absolute nightmare that drains the joy out of cooking. Basic blenders often trap you with underpowered motors that burn out the second you throw in frozen fruit or tough leafy greens, leaving you with a lumpy mess. The Ninja Kitchen System, BR601AMZ, completely rescues you from kitchen chaos and meal prep frustration, functioning as a high-powered, multi-configurable food processing workstation engineered to crush, chop, and blend anything you throw at it. Don't let its sleek, dark gray footprint fool you. This countertop powerhouse packs a heavy-duty 1,200-watt motor base that easily pulverizes tough ingredients in seconds. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its incredible all-in-one modular design. Instead of buying 3 separate appliances, this system swaps between a massive full-size pitcher for large-batch frozen drinks, an 8-cup food processor bowl precisely engineered for chopping veggies or mixing dough, and 2 18-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids for grab-and-go smoothies. Driven by Ninja's legendary stacked blades, it delivers uniform snow-crushing power and precise chopping consistency throughout the entire container, ensuring no ingredient is left untouched. Engineered to fit into a fast-paced, stress-free lifestyle, this system features intelligent, one-touch presets that combine unique pulsing and pausing patterns to take the guesswork out of blending and food processing. All the detachable jars, blades, and lids are completely BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup remarkably quick and effortless. It is the ultimate space-saving kitchen upgrade for health enthusiasts, home chefs, and busy families who demand uncompromised, professional-grade blending and meal prep versatility without the appliance clutter. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're using this Ninja system primarily for morning protein smoothies or heavy-duty meal prep in the food processor. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, cooking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.